Hello everyone, this is my MacBook Pro, but it's actually my father's old laptop and I'm using OBS Studio on it. So from this the MacBook Pro, it is running macOS Sonoma, like it's written here, Sonoma 14.8.7, and my system specs are quite low, but it runs quite well. So over here, this is the dock, and almost every component works here, including the Wi-Fi. It was almost impossible, but it worked. Here's Siri. Siri, what's my name?
Unilax. That's what you told me, anyway.
Siri is quite smart, and there are quite new features. Also, sound even works. I'll show you like going on websites like Indigo. I just searched it. It works. It's quite fast. This is my speed. Though this card is quite unsupported. It's like 40 Mbps, but it's a bit slow. And here I start. You can see that the speed is just a bit too low. Over here you can even see this the speed is quite less, and you can see 802.11n, which is quite slow. So now I see the speed. It's still connecting, it's quite too slow. Anyways, it's randomly too slow since I'm recording by OBS Studio. So here it starts. I'm in the another room, so the wall and microwaves are blocking the waves, or else it will be like 50 Mbps. So just 14, and it is quite fast. Now I'll show the audio test. Audio works like over here. Everything is fine. Like suppose I play the song. I just typed a random song. So like here it works. I'll show I'm using OBS Studio. This is my OBS Studio. Over here. Now I'm on YouTube. Also there's no problem or risk in it, but finally this project is over because Apple finally switched to its own processors. Like it makes its own processors, so it no longer depends on Intel processors, so you can no longer install it and it's too obsolete. Actually, it's not even that slow. There's just something wrong. So this is sound quality. And this is slow. Anyways, I'm in the different room. The sound is quite good. It runs quite well anyway. And I also have the latest version of Microsoft apps. Over here you can access all the applications including Siri. I also have some games, applications. These are all my utilities. And this is one application which I use to patch it. And I also have some more applications on my USB also. Also, so like over here, you could patch and do anything. Like I suppose I can make a macOS installer. It's running a bit slow, so you can like it finds software. Like it's good for old MacBooks, but now this is also dead. So the whole project is kind of dead. Right now I'm on Sonoma and I don't want Sequoia. It will kill the computer. It's too heavy. And over here you could patch drivers and everything. I use this to patch Wi-Fi and display. macOS Sonoma and newer use metal graphics, so that's the problem. And here I'll show the tools I've used. I have lots of things here, but these are the main tools. These are everything. These are for Catalina, but I upgraded to Sonoma. So over here, this X utility and other things are quite old. This is the old EFI, and this is the most common tool which you'll use. And now I'll show Roblox. Roblox also runs quite well. Here I'm playing. I open Roblox. Runs. I'm showing Roblox not for fun. I'm showing Roblox so big because I use Roblox to test it, because Roblox is a heavy game. And so while I'm recording, it's also impacting the computer. So it's getting a bit slow. Anyways, OBS was not for this. Anyways, it's running quite well. Looks like I'm just stuck. I'm stuck. Just need to quit.
I didn't get that.
Could you try again?
Quit Roblox.
To close
An
an
app. Select the app you want to close and
Now
then
Siri
press
is giving
Command
me
Q on your
suggestions.
keyboard. If that doesn't work, open the menu and then choose Force Quit.
Siri would give suggestions more than doing. Quit. Oops, I'm stuck. So this means I'm stuck. Log out the computer.
to restart your Mac.
Hackintosh. Choose Restart from the Apple menu.
I have nothing to do now. Let me switch tabs. Oh yeah, okay. So here's Rob. Finally I switched back. Now I can finally quit it. Force quit. So like if an application doesn't respond, you just force quit. I'll just force quit this. I have to close Safari, it's impacting it. And your Sonoma is also quite heavy. It gets cooked many times. So that's the reason why I do not recommend installing. Anyways, I'll send this video for now. Sadly. Oh, let me just continue it. Force quit it. Now finally it might respond. Let me quit Safari. Now we can see how Roblox works. Finally can see Roblox. So finally Roblox responds. So over here, suppose I'll just play a game. Like my best game which I choose is Prodigy Drift because it has more graphics acceleration. You can even see the sound here if you didn't hear and you're busy in something else. Here I unmuted it. So here I'm just minimizing it so there's less, so it doesn't crash because I'm also using OBS. And every time you remove a USB, macOS starts punishing you. Like I remove my USB now. It starts punishing. Eject your USB properly or else you could lose your data. Anyways, you can see OBS. OBS is running the latest version. Over here I'm using screen capture. Over here I could stop recording, and if I did, I'm cooked. So here I just minimize it. Now we'll wait for 5 minutes more. Let me see how long is this recording since then. Ooh, 12 minutes. Oh yeah, here I came, I loaded successfully. Everything runs quite well, or else it will be like glitching right now. Now here I am in a car. It's somehow handling OBS Studio, but I don't know how, or else it will like crash. Reduce the sound so you can at least hear me, or either you could just reduce the graphics. Let me just reduce it a bit. Oh yeah, it's already less. So here it's running quite smooth, but on OBS you might feel like that. Or if I would make it on the phone, no screen recording, it will be like better. That would be like more likely better, smoother. And use a rate to play this. But the laptop gets seriously hot. I can even show you here. Over there, Task Manager's activity monitor. So here it is. It's using almost 6 GB of memory. Roblox is using 2 GB. The CPU is going to die. So much load. But still, it's because OBS is still handling it. Words is gone. And you don't know how to drift. And that's too much. Roblox. So now let's go back to the video. It's already 14 minutes. So I better finish the video fast. So there's also one new feature. Wherever you click on the desktop gets cleared. You can adjust it. Here I'm with OBS, and over here you access the menu. Like this is where you access everything. I also have my own Apple ID. So like when I upgraded from Sonoma till here, so here's my Apple ID. And App Store also quite run well. Here I am. It's quite glitching. Here's my Apple ID. It shows this I have an original MacBook Pro, and it even registered like for Find My Device. Let me quit unnecessary applications. Now I wanted to say one last thing. Do not try this at home if you are not experienced. If you are not experienced, you might lose both of the operating systems. Like initially you have Windows and you're trying to install macOS, you lose it already. And I'm also working on this for 2 years, and finally it has come true. Anyways, my laptop is from 2014. It's very old. It's like 12 years old, and I'm planning it to use it till 2033. So I think it will run. So that's the reason I installed macOS Sonoma and upgraded from Catalina, because Catalina is 7 years old and Sonoma is just 3 years old, and it's just quite new. It released in 2023. So that's this for this presentation or this representation. Also, if you want to just see apps too, I'll just show it. Anyways, this is just bloatware anyways. Over here you can like install apps. Anyways, I don't even want to initially. Anyways, that's for this video, and now I'm editing it, stopping it. Bye bye. Hopefully you like this system, and remember, do not try this at home. And plus, and if you'll even try it, there's no benefit now because this support is gone. Bye.